So guys, if you are new and you've not subscribed, I want you to subscribe right now. Click on the subscribe button, like and also share. Now let's take a look at our Euro USD. If you are to notice something, you will see that we are on an uptrend move way around there. You can see this higher highs, higher lows, another higher highs here, a retracement as we can call it, another higher highs again, and guess what, we've had a retracement. We would very much likely to see another bullish move again, which we are starting to get. On Tuesday we had it, Monday we on Wednesday we had the bullish and we opened and closed bullish. On Tuesday we opened and closed bullish, so we very much likely to open and close bullish on Thursday that we are trying to do our prediction on. So watch out for it on our Euro USD.